children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Beta, open page number 77 of your book. Now today I am going to tell you how to start Microsoft Word. But before that you need to know what is Microsoft Word. It is a word processor program. It is what kind of program?
Word program.
Which helps us to write letters and reports beautifully. Okay? So let's see how we are going to start Microsoft Word. Oh, click on start button. Which button?
Start button.
And in that you will find all programs. If all programs are not there, then you will go. This is the list of all the programs. Okay, this is the list of
All programs.
Okay, now you will go and click on Microsoft Office. Can you see this one, Microsoft Office?
Yes, ma'am.
And in that, what we have to open? हमें क्या open करना है?
Microsoft Word.
Microsoft
Word.
Word. Okay, is this Microsoft Word?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's see. This is the icon of Microsoft Office Word. Okay, this is 2007 version. If you have upgraded one, then use that. Okay, in your laptop.
Okay, ma'am.
First of all, open page number 77 of your book. Again, children, you can see save button, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You can see this button which is called as undo.
Undo.
Okay, and this is called as redo. These three buttons together called as quick access toolbar. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
repeat after me. Quick access
Quick access
toolbar
toolbar.
consists of
Context box.
save button,
Save button.
undo
Undo.
and redo.
And redo.
So we will see what is undo and redo later on. But come to next one. Can you see document 1 Microsoft written over there?
Yes, ma'am.
आपको दिख रहा है वो document 1 ऊपर
Yes,
side?
ma'am.
That
Yes,
black white blank area. This
Yes.
one.
Yes, ma'am.
This is called as title bar. This is called as.
Title bar.
If I will save it and give it your name, then you will see the name will change. Suppose I am giving the name of Priyanshi. Let's see, the document will turn into Priyanshi's name or not. Priyanshi. I am going to save it on my desktop so that I can clearly see her folder. Now, on the title bar, the file name is changed. Is it?
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
it changed?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is called as title
Title
bar. Okay. Now ribbon is also there. Not the red, blue, green in this form. But where home, insert, page layout, reference, mailings, these things are written. It is called as ribbon.
Ribbon.
So repeat after me. Home,
Home.
insert,
Insert.
page layout,
Page layout.
references,
References.
Refresh.
mailings,
Mailing.
Mail.
review,
Review.
Review.
view.
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 It is on ribbon tab. It is on
Ribbon tag.
ribbon
Ribbon
tab.
tab.
Good. Now children, you may find few things there. What is that? This is, suppose if I will click on view, print and these things are coming no in front of you. These are ribbon and these are ribbon tab. These are ribbon tab and in that you will find ribbons. ठीक है, जो होम है ये आपका रिबन टैब है और इसके नीचे ये सारे रिबन्स हैं. ओके, Next beta. This is the blinking cursor over there. Can you see blinking cursor?
Yes, ma'am.
I can write your name. Suppose your name is Khushbu. Okay. I can select it, highlight it, and I will increase the font size and change the font's name also. Okay. Got
Okay,
it?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And these are long scroll bar over there. With the help of this, I can go up and down. I am moving up, no?
Yes.
Then moving down. In the same way, one cursor is also available here. Yes. What is that? On this,
View and documents.
if you will zoom out, it will minimize. It will be in small size. When you zoom in, it will maximize. So, balance it. Now it is properly visible to all of you. The lowest one over here, where page 1 of 1, word 1 is written, it is called as status bar. It is called as
Status bar.
status bar, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
And here, it is the view of documents. Let's see. The view of document. It is called as.
View of documents.
Now it is on full screen. If I want to go back to the previous screen, I have to click ESC button. And I am back on the previous screen. Okay? Outline. Okay. Next. ESC. Title bar is clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Where you save your file on your name. It is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
File tab is clear, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Home, insert, page layout, references, mailings, review and view is on. File tab is on.
File tab.
Yes. Quick access toolbar, what are there?
Ma'am, they are undo and
Save, undo, redo.
and redo.
What is there on ribbon? Ribbon.
Ma'am, insert, page layout, references, mailings, review and view.
Good. And lastly, beta, scroll bar, you will go up and down with the help of that. Okay? Where is status bar, children?
Status bar.
Page, it is here. It is here.
Downside.
Downside, okay? Now if I want to write next name in your class, Aditya. Aditya. Now children, see, word is changed. It is now 2 words. This document will help you out in calculating the word also, isn't it? It is telling you how many words you have written. Suppose I am writing next name, Riya. So the words are now 3. Okay? Isn't it amazing that it is helping you out in knowing how many words you have written? Suppose your teacher, she is giving you homework to write 120 words on, say, tree. So will you be able to write? You have to count over there? No. You will be able to see from which bar? Which bar? Status bar. Okay, number of words are shown to you in the status bar. Okay, now tell me, next. I am writing again one more name, Aman. The number of words are changed and it is visible on status bar. Okay.